That genuinely gives me chills, truly. Because for the last few years, the big skepticism around AI, the line you and I have heard 1,000 times, has always been, well, it's just a stochastic parrot.
Right. It just predicts the next word. It's just a fancy autocomplete.
Exactly. The argument was always that it can only regurgitate what humans have already written. It's a remix engine. But you can't predict the next word of a discovery that humans haven't made yet.
You can't.
You can't remix a proof that doesn't exist in the training data.
Precisely. That metaphor of the stochastic parrot just died. So
Right.
today, it's gone
Hmm.
because a parrot mimics. The system reasoned. And that's why this is such a watershed moment.